In this video, we will show the best action camera under 10,000 rupees in India 2020. At number 1, Ye 4K Sports and Action Video Camera Overall Best Pick. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, SJCAM Legend SJ6 Sports Gyro Action Camera Runner-Up Pick. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, SJCAM SJDASH Plus Dash Vlog Camera Best Dash Camera. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Campark X20 Action Camera Value for Money Action Camera. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, PROCUS Rush 2.0 Feature-Rich Action Camera. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.